Your quest for WordPress speed optimization can be helped along by finding heavy assets and loading them locally where possible. One asset where this can make a huge difference is fonts. Loading them from Google directly can impact your performance scores negatively. So in this video, I'll show you how to load your Google fonts locally using Oxygen. So the way we can do that is we can go out to fonts.google.com and we can find our fonts here. In this case, I'm using Enter, and I'll hit Get Font to add it to my list. And I'm also using Libre Baskerville. Now, instead of embedding these or anything else that's going to make a call out to Google Fonts, I want to actually download these. Once I have the font files downloaded, I'm going to have .ttf files for the fonts. But I need them to be .woff2 files in order to be able to load them as web fonts in WordPress. One website I've used to do this before is called Font Squirrel, and we can go over to Web Font Generator. We can upload our fonts and it will give us some WOFF2 files that we can then use in WordPress. Now in my testing, this didn't work for all of the fonts that I wanted to use, and it might be because one of the fonts is a variable font, but I found another tool that works really well, and it's called the Google Web Fonts Helper. I'll include a link to this in the video description because the URL is kind of wacky. But basically here we can select our font from Google, and then we can pick which styles and sizes we want, and then we can download the font files. Again, this is going to give you some .woff2 files that you can use in WordPress. Now, depending on your site builder or your theme, uploading these custom fonts may work a little differently. If your builder or theme don't offer a way to upload custom fonts, you might need to use a custom font plugin, and there are a few available in the WordPress repository. For me, I'm using Oxygen, which has a custom fonts option, so I'll show you how that works. Let's go ahead and edit this page in Oxygen. And if we go over to the Oxygen logo at the top left and click Preferences, we'll see a custom fonts area. To add a font, you simply add one and give it a name, test, then add your font files. Once you add a font file, for instance, let's add Enter Latin 900. Open that. Then you just have to specify the font weight, which in this case is 900, and whether it's italic or normal. So you can add all those custom WOFF2 files for that individual font that you downloaded so that Oxygen knows how to work with it. Here's what it looks like once you've actually created them. So I named them the font name and then -local so that I know the difference when picking from the font dropdown. And here's how they are all set up. And I did the same thing for Libre Baskerville. Once that's done, what I did is I went into my variables where I've set up my fonts for my body and headings, and I just need to switch these to the local versions. So I need to go to Enter Local and Libre Baskerville Local. And since I'm using variables, all my body text and headings will switch to the local versions of these fonts because I changed it on the variable level. Now let's save that change. Now that our fonts are loaded locally, let's rerun the GTmetrix report and see what the results look like. You can see our scores have improved and we're no longer calling out to Google for our fonts every time the page loads. With this one tweak, you'll be able to greatly improve the performance of your already fast Oxygen site.